If your Mac Mini setup already feels cramped by limited ports, awkward cable swaps, or not enough storage for real work, this video is for you. Today, we're covering the 7 best Mac Mini M4 hubs and docks that help you expand connectivity, simplify your desk, and unlock a much more capable workspace. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Acasis M1. Running out of space and ports on a Mac Mini can happen faster than most people expect. You start with a clean setup, then add drives, card readers, accessories, and displays, and suddenly the whole desk feels less elegant than it should. That is exactly where the Acasis M1 begins to make a lot of sense. One of its biggest advantages is storage expansion. If you work with large creative files, backups, or growing project libraries, having room for extra internal-style storage inside the dock can make your workflow feel much smoother. Instead of constantly juggling external drives, you get a setup that feels more integrated and far more stable. It also helps solve everyday connectivity problems. Extra high-speed USB-A ports and card slots make a huge difference if you regularly connect cameras, portable drives, or editing accessories. That means less unplugging, less reaching behind the Mac Mini, and a much more convenient desk experience from day one. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. RayQ. A good Mac Mini dock should not just add ports. It should make the computer feel more complete without ruining the clean desktop look that makes the Mac Mini appealing in the first place. That is one of the reasons the RayQ earns a place on this list. It is built for people who want a better everyday workstation without overcomplicating the setup. One of the strongest things about it is versatility. You get a balanced mix of storage expansion, fast data ports, display output, card readers, and audio support in one unit. That means it can help whether you are editing photos, transferring files, using creative peripherals, or simply trying to avoid the constant hassle of adapter swapping. The built-in solid-state drive enclosure also adds real value. For users dealing with growing project files, media libraries, or backup needs, having storage integrated into the dock makes the whole setup feel more intentional. It helps turn the Mac Mini into a more flexible workstation without forcing you into a pile of separate external devices. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Akiyojori. This pick focuses on useful expansion without feeling oversized or excessive. One of the biggest benefits here is its straightforward approach. It gives you additional USB-A ports, card readers, storage expansion, and display output in a design that also works as a stand. That means you get more functionality while keeping the desk footprint tidy, which is ideal for smaller workspaces or minimalist setups. The storage option is especially useful for anyone working with media, documents, or backups that quickly outgrow the Mac Mini's internal space. Having a dedicated place for added storage inside the dock helps keep the workspace looking clean, while still giving you more room to work comfortably. Another nice touch is the effort to preserve airflow and easy access to the power button. Those kinds of details matter because they make the dock feel truly designed around daily Mac Mini use, not just built to add a few ports. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Evenki. One of the biggest reasons this pick stands out is breadth. With a large collection of ports, this dock gives you the kind of flexibility that suits creators, home office users, and multi-device workstations much better than simpler hubs. It helps bring order to a setup that may otherwise need several separate accessories just to function smoothly. The display support is another major advantage. If you are editing, designing, or multitasking heavily, smoother monitor output can make the whole Mac Mini feel more capable and more enjoyable to use. A dock like this is not only about access, it is also about making your visual workspace feel more powerful and more comfortable. It also adds solid-state drive expansion and external power support, which helps with both performance and stability when you connect more demanding gear. The cooling-conscious design is another thoughtful detail since Mac Mini users often want expansion without negatively affecting airflow. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Acasis M1 Pro. If the standard hub experience is not enough for you, this is where things start getting much more ambitious. The Acasis M1 Pro is built for Mac Mini users who want stronger storage performance, broader monitor expansion, and a dock that feels ready for more demanding creative or productivity work. The most impressive thing here is the storage potential. For users working with larger video projects, photo libraries, or fast local backups, better internal style expansion inside the dock can be a huge upgrade. It helps reduce clutter while also making the Mac Mini feel much less limited for professional workflows. Display flexibility is another major reason it ranks so highly. If you are the kind of user who benefits from dual screen or even broader screen setups, having that support directly in the dock can make multitasking much easier. It is especially useful for editors, designers, researchers, and anyone who spends a lot of time managing several windows at once. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Macaulay. This option feels built for users who want simple integration, practical ports, and storage expansion without turning the desk into a technical project. One of its strongest advantages is how clean the concept feels. It combines a stand, a hub, and a storage enclosure in one compact design, which is exactly the kind of solution many Mac Mini owners are looking for. You get more utility while keeping the elegant footprint that makes the machine attractive. The built-in solid-state drive support is a huge plus for people who rely on backups, large work files, or media libraries. It is especially appealing if you want a dedicated space for Time Machine or project storage that feels more connected to the Mac Mini instead of hanging off the side as a separate accessory. It also covers the everyday connections many people actually need most, including legacy accessories, memory cards, headphones, and external display support. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Tobinone. Tobinone offers the best overall combination of ports, storage flexibility, display support, and day-to-day desk improvement in this top 7. One of the biggest reasons it wins is balance. It gives you a broad set of ports, high-speed data access, storage expansion, and support for multiple displays without making the setup feel messy or awkward. That means it can serve creative users, remote workers, students, and multitaskers equally well. The storage expansion is especially valuable if your Mac Mini setup is growing fast. Large project files, media libraries, and local archives all become much easier to manage when the dock gives you a built-in place for high-capacity solid-state storage. That can save time, reduce cable clutter, and make the whole workstation feel more professional. The external power button is another detail that really helps it stand apart. Since the Mac Mini M4 places the power button in a less convenient spot, having easier access changes the daily experience more than you might expect. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best Mac Mini M4 hubs and docks that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.